everything Santa Paula, Fillmore, Piru with your host, Oscar Vasquez, your real estate expert. We're going to be walking around the 4th of July chili cook-off.
My name's Darlene Taylor. I'm from Southern California.
My name's Dave Thomas, and I live by Point Magoo.
My name is Luke Hook. I'm 13 years old.
Dominic Jaramillo. I've been cooking just this year.
My name's Jim Beatty. I've been cooking chili since 1983.
I'm already qualified for the world right now in 4 categories: home style, red, chili verde, and salsa. So I will be going to the World Chili Championship this year in St. Louis, Missouri.
And then I got bitten by the chili bug.
Okay.
And I've been doing it ever since.
I came up with my recipe. I borrowed one of my friends' recipes,
Okay.
and then I modified it a little bit.
First year here, yes.
Okay, well, we hear tri-tip is the secret. Do you have another secret sauce you want to share with us?
No.
I went to cooking chili on a dare. Me and Butch Moore went to Ventura. 27 cooks, I come in 35th. So I decided I better learn something about this chili. So this is my 35th year to be in the World Championship.
Wow.
And I won the world in '86.